there's no money in this world. I don't know if you realise that. There's no financial gain in grade 1 races. None. In fact, it's going to the other way. But it goes less than a lot. And they do it. Yeah, these boys here do it to get their name on sort of trophy, which is the one set up there by Barrow and Rose and Royal. So it's pretty highly regarded, and they will spend a lot of money to get their name on that each one more time. So we're going to take it ourselves on, and it's actually quite good to be part of. So Tony Williams at the wheel of the reflection between the last one today, second half, first last run of the day. So 468, big block Chevy, and pretty industrial really when you think about some of the stuff that's out there at the moment, but it's a reliable boat. It gets in here, it gets in down the course almost every time, not like a long at a time. Tony Williams will turn up and run from start to finish. So I think he holds that record himself. I don't think anyone will come close to that. This is reliable, Mr. Tony Williams at the wheel. Reflections in lane 1. Waiting for the stars, watch the wind down, and he will do what he does. Big up, thumbs up, Rocky's out the way, Tony's all set, and so this is the reflections that they can do. 162 was his first run, I think 162, 116, so which is the stopping run for this boat. Normally the 155, 158 sort of mark, so he thinks I'm going to qualify anyway, 115.2 3 and 14, but he had to steer that thing, and they're not easy to steer.